Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how leather jackets are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Here at the facility, every hide undergoes rigorous inspection under bright LED panels.
From the moment the hide is unrolled, we're looking for that perfect feel, checking the thickness and the grain before precise measurements are taken.
As we move through the workshop, you can see how laser cutters and steaming machines work in perfect synchronization, ensuring the highest quality finish. Our automated systems precisely cut each piece for a perfect fit, every time.
Here in the workshop, our team utilizes advanced digital tools to refine the jacket patterns, ensuring both precision and perfect alignment. The journey begins here. Soon, these high-quality leather pieces will be transformed by our skilled artisans.
Utilizing industrial machines, we ensure every stitch is locked tightly, creating a robust and lasting seam.
Every jacket is assembled with careful craftsmanship and exact measurements. In this slow-motion sequence, the jacket truly takes shape, showcasing the meticulous craftsmanship involved in We take immense pride in the craftsmanship, ensuring every jacket is perfectly steamed, polished, and meticulously inspected.
From the satisfying snap of the tag to the precise fold, we take pride in preparing your premium goods.
Our state-of-the-art facility combines human expertise with robotic precision to ensure every jacket is perfectly packaged.
Every jacket is checked before leaving the facility.
Utilizing the latest in logistics technology, we seamlessly connect our production line to customer.
As the sun sets on another day, our commitment to quality leather craftsmanship shines brightly across the globe.
And that's how leather jackets are made. Au baby, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more factory world tours and process documentaries.